If you've been curious about ChatGPT, but weren't sure where to start, you're in the right place. In this short video, I'll guide you step by step, calmly, clearly, and at your own pace. ChatGPT is a tool you can talk to. You ask questions in your own words, and it answers in plain language. It can help with writing, understanding information, and even translation. Most people already have everything they need to get started: a phone, tablet or computer, an internet connection, and an email address. That's it. There's nothing special to buy and nothing complicated to set up. Installing ChatGPT is just like installing any other app. Open the App Store on an iPhone or iPad or Google Play on an Android phone. Search for ChatGPT. Tap Install and then open the app. You can't break anything by installing an app. And you can always remove it later if you change your mind. The first time you open the ChatGPT app, you may be asked to sign in or create an account. This usually means entering your email address and following a few simple steps on the screen. Take your time. There is no rush, and you can pause and come back whenever you need to. When the app opens, you'll see a space to type. It is just like sending a text message. This is where you ask your question in your own words. For example, you might type, "Can you explain this letter I received?" There's no right or wrong way to ask. Just start where you are. You don't need to learn everything today. There's no pressure, and there's no perfect way to ask a question. You're always in control. Try one small question when you feel ready and come back anytime.